COVID has accelerated the online buying behavior, right? COVID has kind of further pushed that story. All the makings of GST implementation, Make in India policy, that was all already happening. What COVID basically did is kind of put a speed button. What's happened during COVID, obviously, like every other sector, the sector has kind of felt a slowdown in terms of demand decisions. And I would say that's less of a slowdown, it's more of a demand decision deferment. Because actually, COVID has accelerated the online buying behavior, right? COVID has kind of further pushed that story. All the makings of GST implementation, Make in India policy, that was all already happening. What COVID basically did is kind of put a speed button on that. But having said that, customers are still not making decisions fast enough because honestly, they're not able to plan because everything is so uncertain. Whether to take up a space, not to take up a space, they're not able to decide that. So that demand deferment is happening in terms of, so you're seeing the number of leases fall in 2020, but at the same time, you're seeing significant rent collection. At the same time, you're seeing Amazon and Flipkart launch 8 distribution centers each across recently, this morning I saw news about Snapdeal doing that. So e-commerce companies are now the big warehouse takers for 2020. The rest of them are kind of quiet. In 2021 or post-COVID, now what I see, as I said is, I've said it in multiple places, 2021 mid to 2021 end, assuming, in a normal case scenario that we do have some medical interventions with COVID, I think warehousing sector will probably be better than 2019, right? Because that's probably the only sector in real estate which is heavily insulated from all the downside that's facing.